Welcome back. Now let us do the hands-on on text analytics, and please go to the code folder and open the textmining.r. In case of text mining, we take one live problem from Kaggle, and those who know Kaggle, it's very well. Plus those who do not know Kaggle, let me open this site. This is the link. So we'll take the problem from here, and I'll explain you what the Kaggle is. I have already opened this one. So see, Kaggle, first of all, if you want to know what is really Kaggle is all about, Kaggle is a site where you can practice a lot of the data science projects. Plus, this is the place where many companies post competitions, and if you can solve those, or if you can provide the solution, then they will be paying you some prize. So Kaggle is internationally known, and almost everyone knows this. If you don't know, then learn from here. Okay, and this is the problem that came almost 2 years ago, and around $40,000 was the prize money, and 125 team participated. And I will request you that you visit. This is the problem. This is the introduction, and data is over here. So this is the data, huge amount of data. For learning purpose, we'll use the small amount of data. Will not use the huge amount of data, because if you use this huge amount of data, this will take good amount of time to learn itself. Okay, and I'll request you that please visit each of the tab, understand the problem, and understand the problem. So, and I'll also explain a little bit about this one. So what this problem is all about, this is saying that this is from a company called Home Depot, and they are selling a lot of the goods, and what the user said, user come and type the description about the product, and that is what they are looking for. So let me show you some of the small data. Yes, this is the small piece of data. So this is the product title that has been given by the supplier or manufacturer, and people have been using this is the search term. These are the things they're using it, and the relevance, they have the limit of, say, between 1 to 3. 1 is the minimum relevance, and 3 is the maximum relevance. And let me show you the range. So it is 1 is minimum and 3 is maximum. So it is 1 to 3, and this is what they have. The problem is that they want you to build a model so that if someone is searching something, you can predict the score. This is what the problem is all about. And see the small data. This is the small data. I have simply, this is 200 approximately. I have simply taken out from the main data. The main data is the huge amount here. This is the things, and you can also download this this data from this train, test, and everything. Okay, train should be good enough. You can download this one, train. So let us go and start our work. Okay, and this tree tagger I'll explain you at the moment when we start using it. Line number 4, we are cleaning the environment. Line number 5, we are setting the working folder and setting the state. Line number 7, we are importing a few of the library. Data.table we have been importing for the long time. And text to weight, this is the one of the library that is having good amount of text cleaning functions. So this is why we are importing the text to weight. Line 7, and the common utility, that util file where you have written the utility. And in line 30, this is our response relevance. If you see here, relevance is the name of the column which is having the response variable. Okay, and this folder image, the place where the image will be saved. And ngram max, ngram I'll explain you at the time what is the meaning of that. So let us read the data phrase line 17. And here if you see that we're reading that there's some file called small. This is the file made by me. This is not that exactly from Home Depot. Home Depot has given me this full file. I have made this small by trimming myself so that we can practice it. Okay. And some loading this small file. Line 18 we are converting to column name to uppercase, and here is the dimension line 18. So we are working with 200 rows and 3 columns. Okay, and just for simplicity purpose, the product title and search term both we are merging together. Just make sure that we have only one column for all the product description and all the search term used for that. So that is why when you do it, you may not do it, but here just for simplicity I'm doing it. And after that we don't need the search term because the search term we have already pasted over here. And so we are dropping the search term. Now let us see the head of the yes. So let us see, this is how it looks like. So if you see the very first one, it is having this one and this angle bracket. So yes, this is an angle bracket. Okay, so this have been merged and this is the score. So we have one column with having both product title and the search term together, and the second column is the relevance, that is the score. That's all. Okay, so now this is our basic data which we'll be working with. Okay, so in the next video we'll do the various things with this data. Thanks for watching this. In the next one.